Alright, hey guys, how's everybody doing? I just wanted to let everybody know I have a simple PSA for you. If you know from my class, I love using AREPL for instant evaluation of our Python code, but there's been recently a change in one of the updates to AREPL where it does not show up here where it used to. We used to be able to run AREPL and have that going, but that's not a problem. And if you don't remember what I'm talking about, AREPL in your modification extensions, this guy right here, it's a real-time Python scratchpad. So in order to get that back, there's two ways you can do it. Now I'm a big fan of shortcuts, so one way I would say to do it is if you hold the Control, Shift, and A at the same time, it will bring up your AREPL screen. Now it used to have their cool little cat icon. You can see now it's just like a red rounded square. Something's wrong with their last update. It's going to get resolved soon, but the icon isn't there. It used to be here to start it up. Also, if you can't remember the shortcut, remember, you always can hit the F1 key on your keyboard, and that'll bring up your command palette. And you can see here, evaluate Python in real time, the current document. The shortcut is Control Shift A. If you can't remember all that, just type in AREPL, and you can see all the options you can currently do. Additionally, something I like to do is execute a REPL on just a block of code. So you can be within a block of code, or you can highlight a selection of code and hit Control Enter, and it'll just do a REPL on that piece instead of the entire code. But just a simple service or PSA. It's no longer showing up the icon, so you can click in and have an easy method to get there. Your two options are hit F1 and then type in a REPL and choose eval Python in real time current document, right? Or the other one, which I think is a superior way, is Control Shift A, and that'll just open it up. And then as soon as you start typing, it will start evaluating. All right, I hope that helps, guys, and that's it for me. Talk to you later. Bye.